Creativity. Creativity can be a challenge for me sometimes. Some days, I just sit there in front of a white canvas, one hand resting my head while the other awkwardly fiddles with a pencil. With a blank slate, I begin to notice things that didn't matter to me before, like how there's a hangnail on my middle finger, or the crease on the page of my sketchbook. Today, I notice how dull the graphite on my pencil is. So I go into a little thought journey of what to draw or what to do as I press eraser onto my number 2. Tick tock, I must hurry up because my time is overdue. I don't want to take this long because then I'll be covered in morning dew. But aha! Here, in this sketchbook is my answer. You can find it in page 22. It is a small doodle of a boy I once drew when I was feeling rather blue. I remember it being based on a feeling I once knew. A feeling of sadness that I never outgrew. I decided it's this drawing that I would want to renew. Now with pen and paper, I decided to make it new. Underneath all that erased residue, I started seeing something of true value. So I turned on my CPU and I started to scan it through. I never thought I would go down this avenue. A guy dealing with his emotions? Well, that's just taboo. So I ink this, I must do, as if it were a tattoo. Softies for life on my chest to wrap up my crew. Add planets? Sure, and stars while you're at it too. Does Saturn's moon look askew to you? Mistakes don't matter, boo. You can always hit undo. All that is left to do is to add some color to this stew. And what's that? You haven't got a clue. Well, that's alright. Together you and I will make up a hue. And if that fails, don't worry, we got this pull-down menu. Still don't like it? Remember, it's just a preview. Okay, ready for the debut? Okay, here it is. Enjoy the view. I hope it's my big breakthrough. Thanks for sticking around. Now, I bid you all adieu.